Hello and welcome back to AutoMobilityStore.com's YouTube channel. Today I'm excited to present this 2006 Chrysler Town & Country Limited, featuring a VMI in-floor automatic ramp and kneeling system. This van has only a little over 61,000 miles, a leather interior, and features a 3.8-liter V6 engine. Now let's go ahead and take this on a test drive. I'm going to show you what else it has. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to regain your mobility independence with this 2006 Chrysler Town & Country Limited. Call today and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping services.